guys, so usually I do these little what are you gonna see in this video things at the beginning of each video I do, but with the Cold Star Rally I wasn't sure what to expect since I've never been on one. So this one I'm actually doing post the rally, but I wanted to be sure what I was gonna say and what you're expected to see. Originally I planned to have a lot more footage. Turns out it's really difficult to record. While participating in the rally. It's very fast moving. There's a lot of things going on all the time. You're going from checkpoint to checkpoint. When you get to hotels, you pretty much drop your stuff, change, and go out to a dinner party or to a bar or something like that. So it's very fast paced. It was difficult to get a lot of good footage. A lot of it I never had a chance to really speak over while doing it. So this is going to be more of like a preview video. There's also a lot of things that I did get on video that would possibly incriminate people because, as expected in a rally, you are driving fast at a pretty high average speed. That being said, it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. It was different than I expected, and some of the things I did expect. I did get to drive an AMG GTR. I did get to make new friends. We had a crash that I actually got on video that happened right in front of me. I did get pulled over. I did get a warning when I got pulled over, and it was for improper passing or lane usage and speeding. Luckily the cop understood what we were doing. He saw stickers on the car and he was really friendly, and I was blown away that he let us go with a warning. But we got a warning. There was another car that did get a speeding ticket. That was in Georgia, I think. But overall it was a great experience. Something that moves really fast. The car did great. It still needs a wash. It's covered in bugs and brake dust and everything else, but it never missed a beat. Being a sedan, it held its own against all the supercars there. So I had a lot of fun. So enjoy the next following set of clips. I'll probably just put some nice music over it and kind of give a preview of it. Not as detailed as I wanted it to be, but as I said, it was very difficult to record everything while participating. So I got a decent amount of clips, not enough video where I wanted to make like a 2-part. I have parts ordered for this thing, so hopefully they'll come in, but that's always a delay nowadays. So once they do, we'll pick up with that thing. So enjoy the video, add comments, suggestions. I'm definitely gonna go on another rally. There was a lot of fun. Probably be a little bit better prepared for it, and probably bring more camera equipment and other people to record so I could actually capture the full experience in detail. cars. I'm surrounded by race cars.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So we're at our first stop. So far it's a lot of fun. We stopped for lunch. We left Raleigh. Now we're in the south of North Carolina. I think our average speed has been something like easily in the triple digits. But as you can see behind me, got McLarens and everything else. We're at this restaurant. So far it's a lot of fun. I think I'm definitely gonna go on more of these. These guys are pretty cool, and everybody seems to drive with a purpose. I was slightly concerned. I've been on cruises and such, but never on a rally, and there's always a group of people that holds everybody up. But here, everybody's on it. We're moving through it pretty quickly. So next stop is in Greenville, South Carolina, at the B&W Museum. So after we eat, we're gonna head that way, and I'll try to get more footage on the road. I kind of got overwhelmed with it all at once, and I didn't have the camera set up properly, so going from here on, I'll be a little bit better prepared. way down. We actually, this group of cars that I'm parked with, we kind of stuck together throughout it, and we did some pretty sketchy things, but I had a lot of fun. Questionably illegal, but doesn't matter. But next to me here, this is a GT4, and I guess it's got a built motor and it's got a 4.1 in it, and it hauls. And then there's my car, obviously, and then we have a V10 R8 down there, and an AMG GTR. And from what I'm being told is Chris, the owner, is actually going to let me drive that car today, so I'll get to experience AMG GTR. A lot of exciting stuff. We're going down towards Atlanta, but we are going now today into the mountains, so a lot more exciting stuff than just highway work. And let's hit the road. It'll be a good time. cameras set up in here. But this is why these people are awesome on these rallies. I'm currently driving a GTR, an AMG GTR, into Savannah, which is our final stop and our final destination. And it's been a wild ride and pretty cool that, you know, we could do a car swap and I get to drive something that is, you know, a supercar, a Nürburgring time destroyer. And